Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this kinglight solar lights for outdoor use. It's a garden lighting system. It comes in a pack of 12 or in a 2-pack as you like. These lights are really nice for garden decoration. They are waterproof. That makes you can take them in the garden or in a patio or where the weather like raining and snowing and so on is getting on the lights. It's no problem for it because it's waterproof. We have two modes, LED warm white and color changing lighting. This is really cool. The color changing lighting is a special thing on these devices here. I like that very much because we have a lot of delicious LED lighting out there, and it comes with for a nice decoration LED beam. These solar lights for the outdoor garden means precious and beautiful solar lights for the outdoor use, and it uses highly efficient solar panels. This made of monocrystalline silicone. Intelligent light control, automatic charging during the day, and one charging for 8 hours is normal light. In normal light, not only the sunlight is necessary, a normal light with the sunlight, and it will reload it over the day for 8 hours, for example. That brings in the night automatically switches on the lighting for up to 12 hours at night. This solar lighting is green, safe, and reliable. You will not need any power supply because you will need the sun, or you are going to use the sun for it because of the solar panel on it. The solar panel is on the top side of the LED light, so you have to look that there will come the sun light into the area where you install it, but then it's an automatic thing. And we can choose two modes. The first mode is the warm white mode, and the second is the color changing mode. These solar lights for outdoor garden have built-in 8 bright LEDs and have 2 lighting modes, the warm lights and the color changing light. The warm light mode is suitable for daily lighting, and the 7 color gradient modes is more suitable for festivals and garden decorations. 2 working modes can be adjusted by the button on the inner side of that device. That means if you attach it to the wall with 2 screws, you can hang it in and remove it, and on the back side of it there is a switch, and you can choose the white LED beam for it, or in the center it's the off mode, and the bottom mode I think it was the colorful mode. Really cool. It can be used for various climates. The solar lamp outdoor is made of the high quality ABS, acrylon butadiene styrene materials, which has a good durability. With the IP65 waterproof technology, it can be used in various high temperature and cold and rainy and other bad weather conditions. It is a good tool for outdoor lighting. And it's really easy to install, as you can see. The solar lamps for the garden decoration is easy to install and requires no wiring, no power supply. We simply use 2 screws or a double-sided tape to attach it. This is ideal for outdoor stairs, garden decoration itself, balcony decorations, landscaping, corridors, yards, paths, patios, stairs, fences, walls, and so on. So you can see it's really easy to attach and it's really easy to use because there is an automatic switch mode. These solar garden lights use high efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar panels with an intelligent lighting control. That means if it is dusk and the sun goes down, the darkness will come over us and the light will shine. But if it is dawn, that means the sun goes up again, and the light is back on the earth, then it will switch automatically off, and at the same time, while it is switched off, it will reload the battery. The built-in battery will be reloaded easily with the with the power of the sunlight. It's charging during the day and automatically turning on the lights at the nighttime. This is energy saving in a nice and green and safe and reliable atmosphere. IP65 waterproof, that means ABS material. It's not only waterproof, but it also resistant to cold and high temperature and other thorough weather. It is a good choice for the garden decoration, of course. We place it outdoor where we like, with this solar panel facing up to allow the sun to shine directly on the solar panel during the day and charge faster. And the installation should be placed in a place that is directly exposed to the sun and cannot be placed in the shadow of a tree, for example. Since there will be insufficient power supply without sunshine, of course. But if you find a good spot for it, where the sun is shining, no problem for it. And then it makes a good and nice and shiny decoration at night. These are the kinglight solar lights for the outdoor use, in a garden, in patio, or where you like to install it, because you does not need any power supply. You will use the sunlight. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me. And give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!